Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Gen Y adjustable 2-ball mount with the Pintle Lock and a 12.5 inch drop for a 2-inch hitch. Has a 16,000 pound gross towing weight capacity. Now this is an adjustable ball mount that'll let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. The solid shank portion right here is what will slide into your 2-inch hitch receiver on your vehicle. And up front you'll have a choice of either a 2 5/16 diameter ball or a smaller 2-inch diameter ball. This will provide the connection points for your trailer coupler, and also this part number includes this Pintle Lock accessory, and this is used to be paired with this larger 2 5/16 ball, and it'll provide a connection point for a Lunette Ring coupler. So if you're not familiar with a Lunette Ring coupler, a lot of your larger trailers, heavy duty trailers, they have a Lunette Ring at the front coupler, which is just a large ring, and it's designed to drop over the ball. And what's nice is when you drop it over there, you want to make sure it stays on the ball, so they include this Pinto Lock accessory. And how that works, you just pull the clip and the pin out. With that out, we move that back in there, and you can see you can now have room to drop your Lunette Ring over the ball. Once it gets fully over the ball and sits down there at the bottom, then you can slide this over the Lunette Ring. Once you get it over the Lunette Ring, line the hole up, slide the pin through, clip it in place, and that'll lock it over the Lunette Ring, so it keeps that Lunette Ring from coming detached from the ball. Now if you're not using it with a Lunette Ring at the time, you can totally remove it if you want, but if you want to just store it out of the way, there's another hole you can slide this back, put it in there, clip it, and it'll hold it and store it in place like that. Still gives you room to use a regular coupler. Now you can see this has 6 stacked 2-inch receivers, which will accept the included ball mount and Pintle Lock accessory, as well as other hitch mounted accessories. It does come with these 2 5/8 inch diameter stainless steel pins with the clips, and these are included to secure the ball mount and the Pintle Lock accessory to the shank. And I did want to mention these clips. They're pretty unique. What I like about them is they're a twist design, so a lot of your clips are just straight pins, and you try to slide them through there. Sometimes they're hard to install or hard to remove, but on these all you have to do is twist it. So to remove it, it's pretty simple. Just twist it and it comes right out. Then you can slide your pin out. When you go to install them, same way, you just push on them and they'll twist in and lock into position. So it's a neat design, very easy to use clip. This does offer adjustable height that lets you tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle. Works well if you have a lifted truck. And the ball mount right here can be installed and lowered or raised to meet your application. Now this does install just like this. It gives you a maximum drop of 12.5 inches, meaning that if we put this in the lowest receiver, that'll get you your maximum of 12.5 inch drop. This is not made to be used in the rise position. And just to show you how you move your ball, what we'll do is take the clip, remove the pin, that'll release the ball, and then you can just slide the ball out just like that. And if you want to flip it around 180 degrees to use the smaller 2-inch ball, just like that, and then pin it, you're ready to go. Or as we mentioned, you can slide this up or down, put it in whatever receiver opening you need. I'm just going to install it back into where we took it out of. Line the hole up with your pin. There we go. Get your pin through there. Take your twist clip, push it on, and you're ready to go. Now you see you have the 2-inch ball. This is a heavy-duty steel construction. They do use a zinc primer first, and then it's coated with a durable silver vein epoxy powder coat to resist corrosion. Now when you do install this into your hitch receiver, you can see there's 2 hitch pinholes here. It will require a hitch pinning clip or a hitch lock for securing it to the hitch receiver. They are not included. You would have to supply those, or we do sell those separately. The 2 pinholes here, the hitch pinholes, are 5/8 inch diameter. This is SAE J684 certified. It is made in the USA. Application again is 2-inch by 2-inch trailer hitch receivers. Now the weight capacity on this will just depend on the ball size you use. So if you use the smaller 2-inch ball, gives you a gross towing weight capacity of 12,000 pounds, maximum tongue weight of 1,500 pounds. If you flip it over and use the larger 2 5/16 diameter ball, capacity for a gross towing weight is 16,000 pounds, maximum tongue weight of 2,000 pounds. Last thing I do want to mention, this shank and ball mount will have many different dimensions to it. So what I do recommend for you to do is go to the product page of this part number, and we'll have a picture of this shank with the ball mount and all the dimensions put on it. That way you can verify any dimension that may be needed for your application. But that should do it for the review on this Gen Y adjustable 2-ball mount with the Pintle Lock and a 12.5-inch drop for a 2-inch hitch. Has a 16,000 pound gross towing weight capacity.